Hey, this is Amy Cuny, Wise Living Real Estate, and today on A Minute with Amy, I want to talk about pets and purchasing a home, whether it's existing or new construction. So if you're looking at buying a home and it's existing, think about putting a dog door, modifying your back door to allow your pet to go in and out of your home. You can also buy a door and have the frame around the door reframed, so you can buy a pet door in the door. There are different sizes of pet doors: small, medium, large, extra small. You can get them at Lowe's, Home Depot, build.com, all over the place. If you are building a home, talk to your builder about putting it in the plan. They can do a great dog door situation. You can go and pick it up for them, give them the dimensions, and they'll put it in for you, typically at no extra charge. And don't forget to put a dog door in your screen porch to make your puppies and cats very happy. So y'all have a great day. That's your tip for the day. Bye.